In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history in Character AI. If you want to remove an old conversation from your saved chat history, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to your Character AI account in Chrome, since that's the browser we'll be using for this tutorial. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the character.ai website and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. After logging in, take a moment to make sure the site has fully loaded so all the menu options appear correctly. Next, open the character whose history you want to clear. This is important because the history you're about to manage is tied to that specific character. So if you have multiple characters or conversations, make sure you're inside the correct one before continuing. Once you're on that character's page, look to the top right corner of the screen for the three dots menu. This is the More Options menu, and it contains additional settings related to that character and your conversations. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, click View Past Chats. This will open your saved conversation history for that character. Here, you'll be able to see previous chats that have been stored in your account. Take a second to review the list carefully, especially if you have several conversations saved, because the next action is permanent. To delete a saved conversation, click the trash icon next to the chat you want to remove. As soon as you do that, the conversation will be permanently deleted. That means you won't be able to restore it later, so make sure you're deleting the correct chat before clicking the trash icon. If you want to clear more than one saved conversation, just repeat the same action for each one. Go through the list one at a time and delete only the chats you no longer need. And that's it. Once you've clicked the trash icon for the conversations you want removed, your character.ai chat history for that character will be updated right away. This is a useful way to keep your account organized and remove older chats you no longer want saved.